Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your one and only Lady Jackson bringing you this Big Brother Naija All-Star Season 8 2023 edition as the A-Day Hot. Yesterday, we had to say goodbye to 3 housemates after obviously they sang the song, I'm coming home, tell the world that I'm coming home, let the pain wash away. I don't finish. Okay, that's all for that. Now, of course, this is the final week on the Big Brother Naija All-Star Season. We have our 6 finalists, whom are Khosi, Ilebaye, CeeC, Pere, and Adekunle. Now, of course, these guys are going to be, one of them is going to be your winner. So, of course, you guys should make sure you vote. I mean, voting lines are open and they're going to close on Thursday. Vote like your life or your favorites' life depends on it, because obviously it kind of does for the show and the winner. We're going to do our poll after this video, of course. Guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell button to be for notification, and every post I make, don't forget to share, comments down below, and also share this video so that more people can get to see. I do not attach Big Brother Naija videos to my videos, so I'm just only going to talk about the head of house games, which was quite interesting. So Big Brother called the housemates into the arena and made this game that, you know, I've seen people play on Facebook. And, you know, they use it to win money, food. It's like the time the bottle flip challenge was trending, this was the game that also came through. Now, of course, amongst all the housemates, you are supposed to fit in your 5 balls into each of those holes by holding the handle and directing the ball. If it falls down, now they give them 1 hour, and they were doing and moving around up and down. Adekunle and Khosi were the first to finish. Now, there was a slow, tiny margin for the winner. Now, of course, we got to see that Ilebaye was the least. She was the last person to finish the game. And of course, if Big Brother did Tale of House this season, this last week she would have been the tail of house, but in the end Big Brother announced that Khosi, the boss, is the final head of house, the only 2-time winner, and the person who was the first finalist in the show. Now, of course, Big Brother went on to ask Khosi to choose only 2 BFFs for this last week, to which he said Pere and CeeC. He called the both of them to stand up and asked them, do they accept? And they said absolutely, 100%. I'm like, yes, baby. And that was it for that. Now, of course, just like I said at the beginning of this video, guys, I'm going to attach the I'm going to make the poll for whom the Jacksons to vote for this week, and we're going to give them all our votes. In fact, this week we're having 3 IUCs. Yes, 3 IUCs, and we're going to vote all. So just so you know, we're not going to tell you the number of votes there, but we're voting also. Make sure you vote for your winner. Now, of course, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share, comments down below, and also share this video. I'll see you on the next one.